Everything alright?
Yeah, alright. Yeah,
Okay.
no problem.
Alright, that's
She
cool.
just a try to show me like how, you know.
Make sure you show her everything, you know.
Yeah, man, we're alright. Don't worry, alright?
Okay. Why can't we take you home, you know?
No, sir. I live with my boyfriend.
Huh?
I live with my partner.
The girl and the boss would have involved and the girl see a new worker come and the boss kind of show her. If true, and the boss kind of show her the local ropes and how to do this and how to do that. It's like every time the boss come, I see girl here.
I don't understand. Oh, me see you are flirty, but then you work and be nice. You feel like someone understands? What you mean the same thing? Okay, so the same, when you did look me, I say, we go look hard because you're the extra nice.
What about you and this work situation?
Labor board me I go feel like you can't.
Hold on. That seems like you're threatening me. You know who you're talking to?
She caused me for lose more.
You lose the work?
Why you call me mad?
You don't call you mad, me I say acting like is different from say you're mad.
I am truly sorry that you have to vacate the premises. You need to leave.
Let me leave.
Just relax. No, I'm not forcing you. You're hungry, I'm gonna get you something to eat. Just sit down and relax, I'm coming. Just relax. Just relax, I'm coming. I'll give you some mad loving tonight. Wait.
Abby, thank God for trying me.
Abby?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the person who get you pregnant?
Yes, sir.
She's dehydrated. She also malnourished. Also, she's suffering from schizophrenia.
You have a lot of ties to her still.
You mean
because me find her and she's pregnant.
What?
Yes.